Did you know some animals actually laugh when you tickle them? Nope, not your dog. Not even a chimpanzee. It's rats. Yeah, rats giggle when tickled. They squirm, chase the hand, and even come back for more. But here's the twist. You can't hear their laugh. Rats make super high-pitched squeaks, ultrasonic sounds we can't hear. Scientists used special microphones to record it. And guess what? They're really laughing, like full-on play mode. It's a sign of joy, bondings, and ticklish fun. Yep, rats aren't just smart. They're secretly giggling little weirdos. Do you want to try tickling a rat? Just kidding. Please like and subscribe for more amazing facts.